Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are cleaning before all of our guests come for Christmas Eve and Christmas. So I already this morning, you would have already seen this video, I filmed so I could get it all done. I organized things, I put things away, changed bed sheets, did all that kind of stuff. But now we need to get to like the nitty gritty of the cleaning. We need to vacuum, we need to mop, we need to tidy the bathrooms. Kevin deep cleaned the bathrooms already yesterday, so I don't need to like deep clean them. I just need to go in, wipe everything down, and all that, make sure like the toilet's clean, which I know it is because like I say, you just deep cleaned everything, but my floors, nasty. So I don't know if something spilled outside of Austin's room, but I don't know what that is. So we need to clean that. Hi, Macy. My floors in the kitchen, I don't typically wash the wood floors, but today they're getting done. I don't know if you can see just all of the grime. Macy thinks I'm playing with her because I'm on the floor. Hi, Mace. But they are just gross. Hi. I already have the rugs outside. I always shake the rugs out and just leave them like hanging. You can't really see, there you go. Hanging on the back deck just to keep them, like give them a little fresh air and all that. We need to clean the glass. We need to do all the stuff. So we are going to get started. I hope you guys enjoy your holiday season. I hope you have a wonderful holiday with whatever you celebrate. This will be the last video you see from me, and then I'm taking like a little time off to enjoy Christmas break with my kids, and then we will be getting into all of the cleaning and organizing and all of that. So the next video you see from me will be Austin's birthday surprise. We're redoing his room for him. He chose Minecraft. Austin is going to the Celtics game with Kevin, so he doesn't know. Oh, let me see. The 30th, that's a Thursday. Okay, yeah. Oh, the 31st they're going. That's a Friday. I don't know, I forget the day they're going, but they're going a few days before Austin's birthday, so that will be super fun for them to do. And then while they are doing that, I will be redoing his room. So that will be the next video you see from me after the new year. So thank you guys so much for joining my channel, for always clicking on my videos, supporting me, liking videos, commenting, all of that. That really helps. I've grown a ton this year, and I am so looking forward to sticking with this all next year and continuing to grow and make videos and make content for you guys and all that. So thank you so much for watching. If you are new, make sure you subscribe, and let's get ready for our Christmas company.
We've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to stop, but I still love you like I do. It breaks my heart, no text, no calls from you. Without you, to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder.
So I was watching a TikTok video and they said, you know, they're talking about the dirty water and then you're dipping the mop back in. So I went to the dollar store, got this just little dollar store mop, and now I keep my clean water in here and then clean it out that way. So let's see how nasty this water was. I changed it out halfway. Well, I didn't really change it out because it was clean water, but I had to get more water about halfway through. So let's see how gross. Pretty gross. Pretty gross. Speaking of pretty gross, like I said, Kevin cleaned the bathrooms yesterday, and this is how my little chicken nuggets left the sink. Every single day. Toothpaste, dirtiness, always. Just gonna scrub it out with a scrub brush.
Kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. At the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, small bar with neon lights. Talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy.
Alright, so that is it for this Clean With Me before the holidays. I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas or any holiday that you celebrate. Like I said, thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys next year. Bye!
Don't wanna be shy.